Absolutely, buddy. Let's head down the creek to where the banks are wide and where the lily pads start, where there's plenty of largemouth just waiting for a snack. Well, hello, buddy. Take care, girl. I'll name you Kiwi. Well, hello, buddy. My name's Fritz. I'll name you Meadow. Take care, girl. Now, let's catch some panfish. Well, hello. A pumpkin seed. One of my favorite fish. Beautiful, buddy. We'll name you Atlas. A perch. I'll name you Taxi. Well, quite the looker, eh, buddy? Let's name you Indigo. Look at the head on this bluegill. Let's name you Domi. Good boy, Daddy. A shiner. Let's name you Sterling. Now, how about some lunch under Old Chippewa Bridge? Some blueberries, crackers, a peanut butter and banana sandwich, a cheese stick, and a cold pop. Whoops. Holy what? Look, buddy, some mallard eggs. Thank you all for hanging out. I hope you had fun. And until next time, please enjoy yourself.